3 corporations with Colorado operations reported job reduction plans last week, but details on how many local Kodak, Starbucks, and Macy's employees will be laid off are not yet available. Eastman Kodak Company reported a preliminary loss of $133 million in the fourth quarter of 2008. The company plans to reduce its workforce by as many as 4,500 jobs, or 18%. Kodak could not yet provide details on how the cuts would impact the company's 700 employees at the Windsor site. Coffee giant Starbucks reported a 69% drop in net income. As a result, the company plans to close 200 U.S. and 100 international stores and lay off 6,700 workers. A spokeswoman said that the impact of the measures on the nearly 400 Colorado locations is still unclear. The last round of Starbucks closures in July claimed 9 Colorado locations, including 2 in Loveland. Macy's Incorporated also announced a round of mass layoffs. The company would not detail how the reduction of 7,000 positions would impact its Colorado stores. 2 major players in the northern Colorado retail lumber and home improvement business are parties to real estate deals that will put both in smaller spaces. Sutherland's Lumber and Home Improvement Centers will consolidate its 2 Fort Collins locations into one, with the $2.4 million purchase of the BMC West retail store and lumber yard on Prospect Road. Sutherland's will close its store in the Thunderbird Center just southwest of College Avenue at the intersection with Drake Road. BMC West will consolidate its business into a 38,000 square foot millworks building on Timberline Road in Fort Collins. The company is likely to identify another retail location within the next year and could consolidate the millwork operation to its Greeley location. Reporting for Northern Colorado 5, I'm Kristen Taddy, and this has been your Northern Colorado Business Report.